What is going on, awesome people? Jamie Allison here, bringing you our second Lorcana booster box. I'm opening a full case just to see what the pull rates are and take a look at it, see if we can complete, in theory, all 12 legendaries, at least out of 4 boxes. We've got 4 in the first box, so we'll see if we can get more. But this is Rise of the Floodborn. I am going to be probably breezing through this box, just because these videos do get long. And if you want to see more of the cards, watch the first booster box opening if you want to see more what the cards look like. Otherwise, I'm going to be slashing through this box. So, good luck to me. Let's open up some legendaries. I'm hoping to get 5 or more. And let's go. I'm going to show you all the super rares at least. We got Charmin. We got Namari, which is super rare. Beautiful. Put there, Namari. There is an Namari legendary as well, and then Sorcerer's Spellbook foil rare. So we got 14 super rares in the first pack, the first box. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly. Dinner Bell, Chief Bogo, and let's Storm Rage on foil. We got Lucifer the Cunning Cat. We got a super rare Isma. And a Judy Hopps. Super account at 2. Legendary count at 0. Cheshire Cat. Super account at 3. Legendary count at 1 with the Donald Duck legendary. Wow. And our Snow White. So first legendary. I just realized that this game is for 8+, not 6+, like Pokemon. Noit. Metamimfox. Winnie the Pooh. Great art, and it's just a common card, but 5/5 Winnie the Pooh. We got ourselves a Dragon Gem. Beast Super Rare. Super account at 4. Card Soldiers. Legendary account at 1. We want the legendary beast. The green beast. Ratigan. Krunk. And Tuk Tuk. Which is just weird. It's a rare, but you're never going to want to use Tuk Tuk. He just has Reckless, which means he has to attack every turn. Pack Tactics. Super rare, the Queen. We love the Queen. And then bye, Felicia. Okay, so it's 5-1 on our count now. Wait set. Great card to have. Cinderella, amazing card to have. Sing a 3. And Minnie Mouse. We got Pete. We got our super rare Basil. And we got a Pacha. 6-1. Not looking good. Ms. Judson. Alice. Oh, look at that. Legendary Alice. There's an Enchanted of that. Panic. Yeah, if Alice gets a 10 or more attack power, she gets +4 lower. So we got Perplexing Signpost, Lumiere, and rare Winnie the Pooh. But oil rare Winnie the Pooh. Strength, the Raging Fire. Rare, super rare, nothing to hide. So we got 2 and 7-2 on the super rare legendary spectrum. Little John, Merlin Rabbit, and Donald Duck. There's a lot of Donald in the set I've not, but not as much Goofy. We have the big Goofy, though, like the really big Goofy. Mulan, Gaston, Tiana. Great 5-cost Tiana. I like that card a lot. Teeth and Ambitions. Super rare Dr. Facilier. He is evasive, but he's big. And a grumpy. We have 8-1, 8-2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8-2 on super rare legendary. We got the Huntsman. We got Mufasa legendary. Wonderful. 8-3. 8-3. Eight to 3. Peter Pan Shadow super rare. 9-3. Mickey Mouse 10-3. Ah, I thought I was going for the trifecta again. Look at that. 10 super rares to 3 legendaries. Radigans, World's Greatest Criminal Mind, and World's Greatest Criminal Mind. Ta-da! Winnie the Pooh rare. Tiana super rare, which I'm gonna swap out, swap in. That's 11-3. And that's a good. So 11-3 right now. Just so you guys know, I swap out all those in the starter decks, just so I can make the starter decks available for people to use. Sorcerer Spellbook, tap, pay 1 to gain 1 lore. Wonderful. Tuk Tuk. And King Louis super, so that's 12-3. We got 3 more packs left. I'm still waiting for the next legendary or 2. Oh, Goofy, the 9-10-10. Okay. Grand Pavi super rare. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 13-3. Grand, and then Dwarf. Grand Pavi can get you to gain lore in a weird way. Sleepy's Flute. We're at 13-3. 13-4 because we have Purple Dragon Madam Mim. Everybody's been wanting this. And then Ratigan. So 13-4. So we had 14-4 last box. Let's see what we can do. See if we have anything special in this one. Prince John, Menamim, and Basil. So 13-4. So not as good, but let's go ahead and take a look at all. We got 4 legendaries. I think Alice is my best one. And the Menamim. Ah, woo! Bless me. Like I said, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 super rares. And 4. Donald Duck, Alice, Mufasa, and Madam Mim for our legendaries. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and watch all my videos on the Locana and Pokemon. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.